Great, you're logged into WeVideo and now you're ready to edit your Xgames. Go ahead and come over here to Projects. Go up to where it says Shared with Me, and you should see something that says Xgames Big Air Edit. Go ahead and click on it and say Start. Now it's going to bring you to the editor, and you've got an audio track, a video track, and a text track. But we don't have anything in here. So we're going to go over here to Project Media, and you will see that there is a Xgames footage and some music in here. Go ahead and bring down the Xgames footage to your timeline. Now you have the Xgames footage on your timeline. And this part up here is your playhead, and you can move it. So go ahead, check out what you have, press play.
When you have the lead, but you still have 3 riders that go after you, how do you play it? Got to go big, right?
Yeah, like he said earlier, he's going for more. You know, I mean, he had that little stall, so if I was him, I would just clean that up and redo my first run. But he's going for more, and you know, when Levi says that, you got to pay attention because who knows what he's going to do.
Coming out, looks like it's going to start with a double backflip.
Whoa, he's now in the air. We only want when he is in the air. But he's already too high. So using your left and right key, I'm going left, it's coming back, coming back, coming back. It looks like right here is where he starts to get in the air. I'm going to go ahead and press S. That's to split. I'm going to undo that, Control Z. The other way I can do that is this little scissors thing here. You can click on that. And again, it cuts it right there. Okay, so I don't need any of this stuff that's in front of it. So you can click on that and then go to the trash can and click delete. Now I have all my other footage. I'm going to select and I'm going to bring that down into the side. So now let's watch our guy as he goes up into the air.
Double flip knack.
Oh, he's already landed. Let me use my arrow keys. Make sure you have it selected. Left, right, keep going. He's in the air still here. Boom. Right there is where it ends. So again, you can click on the scissors, or I'm going to go ahead and use the S key on the keyboard to split that. And then we're going to watch it.
One-hander. He pulls one hand off, so an opposite side, so it maybe doesn't sound like a huge deal.
Oh, he's in the air again. So now I'm going to go back using my arrow keys. He's coming, coming, coming. Oh, so he's in the air right about there. I'm going to click with the S to split it. I'm going to select this part right here because this is when he's on the ground. And I'm going to press delete. And then if I highlight both of these together, I can say close the gap and it shifts it over. Oh, but he's already back on the ground. So play.
When you're spinning the 220.
Boom. Using the, oh, he's in the air, on the ground. In the air, on the ground. So I only want him in the air. So that's where I'm going to cut it. Now you're going to continue doing this all the way through the clip. We only want when he's in the air.